Hello students, this video will show you how to easily screen capture anything on your computer screen. So why would you want to do this? Well, maybe there's a section of your screen you want to copy and put in a presentation, or you need to share your grades with your parents, so you're going to clip the section that you need to see. There's many ways you could use it, so let's see how to easily do it. You just simply hold down the control key, and then you hold down the switch windows key, which is the one that looks like a little box up there. So when you do that, it's going to go ahead and just save it, and then is going to save it in our downloads. We'll talk about that in a minute. That saves your whole entire screen. But most of the time you just want maybe just a part of your screen. So let's check how to do that. It's the same keys with shift added in. So I'm going to push it right now. I'm going to push control, shift, and then I'll put down that switching windows key. And now look at my mouse right here, like a little X right there. Now I'm gonna hold down and click with my mouse and just pick whatever portion I want to capture. Let's just say I want this portion. And it goes right there. Look, I could copy to clipboard. If you don't know what that means it just copies it, so we could copy and paste. And look how easy this will be in a presentation. Now I could simply just paste it on there, and it'll be on there for me to use later. Now, if you're wondering, what does that switch windows key do that we were just looking at, this key? Well, I'm going to go ahead and push it. And look, it shows me my windows, so I could easily go to a different window. So here are my downloads. Excuse me. Here are my downloads, and I'll be able to find all those good things, like that screenshot I just took. It's right there and saved in case I need it later. So now you know two ways to screenshot, and you know how to copy and paste it, or to have that file saved for later. See you later. Have a good night, and rewind this video if you need to see it again.